Inspiration, a textbook of General English, program BCom, subject English, semester, third semester, Tumkur University, session 55, present, past and future. Correction of common errors, present, past, future. Learning objectives. To enable the students to understand the errors in using present, past and future tenses, to improve English speaking skills. Session outcomes. At the end of the session, the student will be able to identify the errors in using present, past and future tenses in English, correct the errors in using present, past and future tenses, answer the questions about correction of errors. Exercises on correction of errors. The earth is rotating on its axis. He spoke to me tomorrow. I am liking mangoes. I am knowing that it is true. Raju didn't went there. Raju have a bicycle. Anne are a doctor. Our plants needs water. Shashi was studying first BA now. Ravi met his uncle tomorrow. There are errors in these sentences. First sentence, the earth is rotating on its axis. We must use present simple tense in this case. The earth rotates on its axis because it is not temporary, it is not present continuous, it is eternal process. So we must use present simple tense. The earth rotates on its axis is correct. He spoke to me tomorrow. He spoke to me tomorrow. Here there is error. He spoke. Spoke is in past tense. Tomorrow is future. So we must correct it like he will speak to me tomorrow. We must use future tense here because tomorrow is future. So we must use future verb here. He will speak to me tomorrow. I am liking mangoes. Here, like is a non-continuous verb, so we can't use like in present continuous tenses. So we must use the sentence like this. I like mangoes. I like mangoes is the correct sentences. We cannot use like in continuous tenses. I am knowing that it is true. Here also, know is a non-continuous verb, so we mustn't use it in continuous tense. So the sentence must be, I know that it is true. Raju didn't went there. Indian users commonly make mistakes by using double past tense, double comparatives, etc. So here we see the example of double past tense. Raju didn't went there. Didn't is also in past tense. Went is also past simple. So we must change the verb went into go. Raju didn't go there. Raju have a bicycle. Here Raju is a third person singular noun. So we must use has here. Does form. Raju has a bicycle is the correct sentence. Anne are a doctor. Anne is a female name. Anne is a doctor is correct because Anne is singular. Anne is third person. Third person singular. Take is does form. Anne is a doctor. Our plants needs water. Here our plants is third person plural. We must use do form here. So our plants need water. Our plants need water is the correct sentence. Shashi was studying first BA now. Here also there is an example of using double past tense. Here was studying is past continuous tense. Now is a time adverb of present. So there is a past and present tense in one sentence. It is not correct. So Shashi is studying first BA now. Here present continuous and present time adverb now is correct. Ravi met his uncle tomorrow. Here also there are two tenses in one sentence. Ravi met is past simple. Tomorrow is future. So Ravi met his uncle yesterday is correct, or Ravi will meet his uncle tomorrow is correct. So we are correcting the errors in using tenses. Ravi will meet his uncle tomorrow. We can see the answers here. The earth rotates on its axis. He will speak to me tomorrow. I like mangoes. I know that it is true. Raju didn't go there. Raju has a bicycle. Anne is a doctor. Our plants need water. Shashi is studying first BA now. Ravi will meet his uncle tomorrow. There are another set of exercises here. I am hearing music being played. Here is also the word HEAR, here is also a non-continuous verb. So, I hear music being played is correct. We cannot use here in continuous tenses. I am thinking that Binu will come home today. Think, the verb think is also non-continuous. We must use present or past simple tenses with the verb think. I think that Binu will come home today is the correct sentences. We must use I think, not I am thinking. Arun spoke to me tomorrow. Arun spoke to me tomorrow. Here, spoke is in past tense, past simple tense. Tomorrow is future tense. So, there are two tenses in one sentence. There are two tenses in one sentence. We must correct it by Arun will speak to me tomorrow. We are playing a joke on him last year. Here, last year is in past tense. Are playing is present continuous tense. We can't use like this sentence like this. So, we were playing a joke on him last year is correct. Past continuous tense. Raju went to Bengaluru. Raju went to Bengaluru. Here, the sentence is in passive voice. We can't use the verb go in passive voice. Raju went to Bengaluru is correct. I will arrive last week. Will arrive is in future tense. Last week is in past tense. So, I arrived last week is correct. Arrived is past simple. Last week is also past tense. So, I arrived last week is correct sentence. He was gone to the university on foot. He was gone to the university on foot. Here, was gone is in passive voice. We can't use go in passive voice. So, he went to the university on foot is correct sentence. We didn't go to the cinema since Tony left. Here, since Tony left is in present perfect. So, we haven't gone to the cinema since Tony left is correct. Shashi has been talking to Paul a moment ago. In this sentence, a moment ago is in past tense. He has been talking is in present perfect continuous tense. So we cannot use the sentence like this. Shashi was talking to Paul a moment ago is a correct sentence. They will arrive yesterday. Will arrive is in future tense. Yesterday is in past tense. So we must correct this sentence like this. They arrived yesterday. Here we can find the answers for the exercises. I hear music being played. I think that Binu will come home today. Arun will speak to me tomorrow. We went to Bengaluru. I arrived last week. He was going to the university on foot. We haven't gone to the cinemas since Tony left. Shashi was talking to Paul a moment ago. They arrived yesterday. There are another set of exercises for correction of common errors are here. I am working in a college for the last 5 years. I am working is in present continuous tense. Last 5 years is past. So we must change this. I was working in a college for the last 5 years. Or I have been working in a college for the last 5 years. Raju is studying in Tumkur for 5 years. Here, Raju has been staying in Tumkur for 5 years is correct sentence. I have visited Mysuru last year. Last year is in past tense. Have visited is in present perfect tense. So, I visited Mysuru last year is correct sentence. My father has died 3 years ago. Here, 3 years ago is in past tense. Has died is present perfect tense. So, my father died 3 years ago is a correct sentence. You must see that the amount shall be paid soon. You must see that the amount shall be paid soon. The sentence is correct. Take care that you will not be late. I shall tell you about it when I will know the truth. If you will laugh at her, she will be angry. I had consulted the doctor last week. We had started a school for children last year. Here, I have been working in a college for the last 5 years. Raju has been staying in Tumkur for 5 years. I visited Mysuru last year. My father died 3 years ago. You must see that the amount is paid soon. Take care that you are not late. I shall tell you about it when I know the truth. If you laugh at her, she will be angry. I consulted the doctor last week. We started a school for children last year. We had been to Canada recently. Here, we have been to Canada recently is correct. When went to the bus stop, the school was. When we went to the bus stop, the bus was already gone. Here, we must use past perfect tense. When we went to the bus stop, the bus had already gone. Columbus had discovered America. Here, we cannot use this sentence in past perfect tense. Columbus discovered America is correct. The storm had ended last week. The storm ended last week is correct. I had applied for civil service last year. Here, I applied for civil service last year is the correct sentence. I know Raju for a long time. We must use present perfect tense in this sentence. I have known Raju for a long time. Anu is having a long hair. Have is also in this case we must use present simple. Anu has a long hair. I will return the book as soon as I will read it. Here, I will return the book as soon as I will read it is wrong because we cannot use future tense in as soon as if like that. The correct sentence is I will return the book as soon as I read it. I am teaching English since 1990. We must use present perfect tense here. Present perfect continuous tense here. I have been teaching English since 1990. John went to Bengaluru tomorrow. Here, went is in past tense, tomorrow is in future tense. So, we must use the sentence like this. Raju will go to Bengaluru tomorrow. There are answers for the exercises 8. References. The inspiration, a textbook of general English. Wikipedia, free encyclopedia. Contemporary English grammar for scholars and students by J.D. Murthy.